Good afternoon, secret agents. Welcome to our Leland Assembly Mission Edition. Agents, today our mission is to celebrate leaders who always be given to men. They set goals, make a plan, and stay focused until the mission is complete.